Thinking about growing your own aloe vera? Great choice.
Aloe vera is not only a striking succulent, but also incredibly easy to care for, perfect for beginners.
In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to keep your aloe thriving. Light. Aloe vera loves sunlight, a lot of it. A bright windowsill with at least 6 hours of direct light daily. If it's indoors, a south or west-facing window is best. Just make sure it's protected from harsh afternoon sun, especially in very hot climates, as the leaves can get sunburned. Watering. Here's the golden rule: less is more. Aloe is drought-tolerant and hates soggy soil. Water thoroughly, but only when the top 2 inches of soil are completely dry. That might mean watering every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your environment. In winter, reduce watering even further. Soil. Good drainage is key. Use a cactus or succulent mix, or make your own by combining regular potting soil with sand or perlite. Keep the roots dry and happy. Potting. Always choose a pot with a drainage hole. Terracotta pots are a great option. They allow the soil to dry out more easily and prevent overwatering. Repot every 2-3 years, or when the plant outgrows its container. Temperature. Aloe vera enjoys warm temperatures. It can handle the occasional chilly night, but hates frost. If you're keeping your aloe outside, be sure to bring it in before temperatures drop. Fertilizing. Feed lightly. Aloe doesn't need much. Once in spring and again in midsummer is usually enough. Use a diluted, balanced houseplant fertilizer or a specific cactus feed. And remember, overfeeding is worse than underfeeding. Propagation. Want more aloe plants? Easy. Look for baby plants or pups that grow around the base. Gently separate them from the mother plant and repot. Give them a few days to callus before watering for the first time. Common issues. If your aloe is getting leggy, it needs more light. Yellow mushy leaves? That's likely overwatering. Brown tips? Could be too much direct sun or lack of humidity. The good news, most aloe problems are easy to fix once you spot them. Cleaning and grooming. Even though aloe vera is low maintenance, a little grooming goes a long way. Gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth from time to time to remove dust and keep the plant breathing. If you notice dried or damaged leaves at the base, you can trim them off with clean scissors to keep your aloe looking neat and healthy. This also helps prevent pests and mold from settling in. That's it! Aloe vera is one of the easiest plants to grow. Just give it bright light, minimal water and good drainage and it'll thrive. Plus, it's always nice to have a natural remedy plant nearby for burns or skin care. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly plant care tips. Happy planting!